Align the dot on the handlebar with the opening on the clamp. Slide the handlebar in to the edge of the clamp. Hand tighten the pinch bolts and torque to spec. Install the right hand switchgear. Be sure to line the tab up with the hole in the handlebar. Insert the 2 fasteners and hand tighten. Slide the throttle grip on. The cable with the adjustment on it is the pull cable. Put that into the front slot of the hand grip. Install the return cable on the back side of the hand grip. The back half of the throttle housing has a pin. Align that into the handlebar. Install the housing of the cable into the back half. Install the front half of the housing. Insert your 2 fasteners. Hand tighten and torque to spec. Slide the boot onto the housing. Make any adjustments to the pull cable so that there is slack at full lock left and full lock right. Slide the boot back into place. Be sure to make all terminations. Be sure the arrow on the clevis is facing up. Install the master cylinder assembly. Insert the 2 fasteners. Snug the 2 fasteners so you can adjust the lever. Hand tighten when in the proper position and torque to spec. Insert the reservoir. Install the fasteners. Hand tighten and torque to spec.